Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're staying safe and calm. Today is going to be our math lesson is going to be for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's going to be the same thing, just a different number every day. And what we're going to do is we're going to show one number in 3 different ways. You can choose which way you want to show it. But remember the other day I told you, okay, we're drawing objects. You can write the number, and that means you're showing it by writing the number and drawing objects. Well, there's other ways to determine the number also. So if we want to review, I'm going to hold up a number and you tell me what it is. 3, 2, 1, 5, and 4. And don't forget about the number that shows nothing. That is the number 0. You can show a 0 even with your hands. So 0 is nothing. Okay, so if we want to start with the number 1 today, all right, so I can look at this and see, oh, well, how many wells do you see? That's 1. So there's your 1 right there. Well, guess what? I can show the number 1 in a different way. I can write the word 1. I can write the number 1, okay? And then also, there is something called a domino. And if you look at this domino, how many dots does it show? Well, it shows 1 dot. So if I look at this, okay, well, I know that's 1, 1, and 1. But just like we do on the calendar, you can also draw a 10 frame. And you can make that 10 frame have 1 dot. So you choose, or you could draw the objects. But I want you to do it in, well, in 3 different ways. Okay? So you can get on your paper and you can show me how to do the number 1 in 3 different ways. Remember, you can write the word, you can draw a domino, you can draw an object or a picture, you can practice writing the number 1, or you could do a 10 frame with 1 dot. But how many different ways do you have to show me today? 3. So 3 different ways to represent the number 1. Okay? So there's the 1. Man, that magnet's strong. So there's 1. And now for Tuesday's lesson, you're actually going to be practicing the number 2 in different ways. So if you look, how many pictures do you see of dolphins? There's 1, 2 dolphins. So here's the number 2 shown with a picture. Okay, and you can also what? Write the number or the word, and it's spelled T-W-O. And if you're drawing a 10 frame, then all you need is 2 dots inside of your 10 frame. And that's it. You're done with the number 2. You can do this all on a piece of paper, your choice. Oh, and you know what? I have another way you can show me. If you can draw 2 fingers. And let me see, watch, I can't draw, let's see. I think I can do it. 1, 2 fingers, and then here's the rest of my hand. And that's my thumb. So that shows holding up 2 fingers. All right, so your choice, what you want to show me. Okay, so there's 2. Whoop. and after 2 is 3. So then here's 1, 2, 3 pictures. So I can show 3 that way. I can write my number 3. And I can write the word. My 10 frame only has 2, but if I add 1 more, I will have 3. And I can also show 3 on a domino. See, on this domino, oh my goodness, I have 3. 1, 2, 3, and 0 here. So that gives me 3. So that's one way for a domino. And then I have another domino that has 3. 1, 2, and 3. So if you notice, this is 3 and 0. This one is 2 and 1. So this is different ways to show 3 on a domino. So your choice, show 3. And then on Thursday, you are going to practice. What comes after 3? That's right, 4. So here is your 4 picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little sharks are on this picture. So you can draw a picture of whatever you want, but just 4 of your objects. Then I'm gonna write 4. I can show it writing the number, drawing a picture. I can write the word 4, F-O-U-R, and I can also show 4 on my 10 frame. Well, oh, adding 1 more, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we look at my domino, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another way you can show 4 on a domino is 1, 2, 3, 4. And also 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4 and a 0. So if I'm going to show this, I can say 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 4 plus 0 equals 4. So there's different ways to come up with the number 4. And finally, by Friday, what comes after 4? You're going to work on the number 5. That's right. Okay, so what is one way to make and show the number 5? Pictures. That's right. And here's my picture card. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pictures. So I have 5 drawings, pictures. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots I can do. And write the number 5. Down, around, and stop, line on top. And I can write the word. F-I-V-E. And then here we go. So now we have ways to make 5 on a domino. All right, now this shows me I have 4 and 1. That gives me 5 here. Here's 5 and 0, and that also gives me 5. And this is 2 and 3, and that gives me 5. So you can show your numbers however you like, but 3 different ways. You can draw a domino and put the dots in them. You can draw a 10 frame and put the dots. You can draw 5 objects again, and you can write the number 5, and you can write the word number 5. So it's all up to you how you would like to do it, but you need 3 different ways for each number. Monday will be number 1, Tuesday number 2, Wednesday number 3, Thursday number 4, and Friday number 5. So, and this is just examples of how you can do it. All right, and I'd love to see it. I can't wait. Have a good weekend. Bye.